My life is not just about who I am now, but about who I had to become. Hi everyone, my name is Jan Lawrence Bueno. I am 18 years old and I live at 44 Sterling 1, Diamante, Caloocan City. I am the youngest of 7 siblings. Here's my eldest siblings, my brother Jake. He used to take care of me when I was a child, but unfortunately, he had a motorcycle accident. Now, I only have one older brother. His name is Eugene. I'm not very close to him because he's out and not at home, since he's usually at work. I have four older sisters, but I'm only close to two of them because the age gap between us is large, and they each have their own families. My father, he is very kind, and even though he often drank alcohol, he never neglect us siblings. He worked as a tricycle driver and often brought me along on his trips. He never let me feel left out. Sadly, he passed away due to a stroke. This is my mother. She is the most hardworking and kind person to me in the whole world. She has been both father and mother in our household since my father passed away. Even though she is alone, she never let us siblings feel neglect. This is my nephew. Ever since we were kids, we always played together and helped each other in everything. Even now that we're grown, we still spend a lot of time together. And this is my girlfriend. We've been together for 2 years, and I feel very lucky that she became my girlfriend. She never leaves me even on my worst day. We always help each other with the things we struggle with, and I love my girlfriends very much. My goal is to finish my studies and become a pilot someday so that I can lift my family out of poverty. I also want to give back for all the sacrifice they have made for me.